Alright, so this is our room. One bed and one sofa bed. And we're on the second floor. It's pretty dope. So we don't have a good view. You probably can't see, but the sign is right there. The sign is right there. And this is outside. So we're not way high up. We're just on the second floor. What else? Some pretty cool things about this room. There's this iPad. Let's see if it turns on. All right, there it goes. You can basically do anything with this iPad. It tells you about the resort and the times, when stuff open, when stuff close. And you can turn on the lights, turn off the lights. You can also change the temperature of the room. You can also change the channel, or you can watch Netflix, Hulu, Prime, YouTube. It shows you dining. You can have pizza delivered, room service. And it tells you the information about the internet. It also has the Bible and the weather. So here's your coffee maker. We don't really like coffee, but for you people out there that like coffee, here's your coffee maker. There's also a fridge that we found. There's nothing in it, but here's the mini fridge. There's a Bluetooth speaker right here. Here's this big closet. We have some of the pillows or the cushions in there, but you also have a safe and an iron, some hangers. There's the bathroom with the shower. Shower's pretty nice. It's really bright in here, and it's got one of these step stools, so if you're gonna shave your legs or if you just wanted to sit, I guess you could sit. And the toilet doesn't just have a regular flusher. It has one for if you go number one and one if you go for number two. So whatever you do, you press either or. What else, Logan?
It's pretty nifty. As far as all the drawer space, there's a lot of drawer space. You got uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. And if you really want some space for your shoes, you can put them down there.
You also have this one over here by the bed. Ooh. And then you have this light thing. Logan thought it was a fan, but I guess it's like a reading light. And this is a nice chair.
You've got some trash cans in the room too.
Oh yeah, you can recycle if you want to. If you recycle.
We're going green.
Going green. They also have the logo everywhere. Logan said it's a fidget spinner, but it's everywhere on the wall. Even the hotel looks like a fidget spinner. But yeah, this is our room, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Okay, we have a light over here. It's pretty dark right now. Oh, side note, we have double outlets, and you can charge your phone and charge your laptop at the same time if you really wanted to get nifty. But guys, watch this.
It's touch.
All the way on. We'll dim the lights a little. If you really want to go to bed, you can go like this.
That's awesome. Good find, Logan. Alright, this is the fitness center. Oh look, there's us. It's pretty nice. Logan's gonna work out. But you have a good view of the back of the sign. If I can get these things open. So yeah, there's the back of the sign. There's our room right there. You can see that window right there. That's our room. Yeah. Oh, you can have medicine balls, bikes, ellipticals. I guess that's like a stair stepper. Whatever that thing is. But yeah. This is the fitness area. They also have this game room. It's got a pool table. It's got a hockey game. Oh, it's got the Stanley Cup champions. Look, go Caps. Look, Holbees right here. Ooh, that's Ovechkin. Ooh, no, Ovechkin's up here, my bad. Ooh, look, lift. cornhole, ping pong table, and foosball. Everything is $1 except for ping pong, Connect Four, and cornhole. Everything else costs $1. But yeah, it's over here by the pool. Those are the elevators over there. It's over here, like by the pool, like I said. I got some carrots, some garlic. Logan getting mushrooms, peppers, carrots. I got edamame too. Where's that? Right here. That's the chili paste, Logan, kind of good. Just wait right here. So they got chicken, steak, shrimp, tofu. You can do with rice or ramen. I got steak and shrimp. What'd you think about it, Logan? You got rice with this. Very good. Yeah, it is very good. The only thing I don't like about is that they leave the tails on the shrimp. And I don't eat the tails. I don't know if you do, but I don't eat the tails. So I gotta pick it off with my hands first. And then it gets in the noodles and I'm afraid I'm gonna eat it. But that's the only complaint I have. What about you, Logan? Any complaints?
Other than that, do a little extra. Not very good.
All right, hey guys. It's our last day and we're leaving the hotel, the Aventura Hotel that we stayed at.
Spelled backwards though.
Yeah, look, whatever. But overall, it was a great time. We had a great stay. Our room was really nice. The food was really good. The pool was really good. And then the rooftop bar, the view was amazing. And they had parties up there, and it was really good. So I recommend staying here. Huh?
Good access as far as getting to like Volcano Bay and
stuff. Yeah, no,
Volcano
Bay. Literally, we just walked from the pool,
not even 5 minutes,
under the road, and it really took like 3 or 4 minutes to get there.
And then there's
and the bus. Look, the bus. I can't turn it over, but the bus is right over. The bus is right over here, over my head. But yeah, and we walked. Last night we walked instead of taking the boat or the bus because it was too long. And it only took like 15 minutes. It wasn't that bad. It was a lighted path.
It was a nice little walk.
Yeah. But yeah, so overall great access, really great everything. I would say 5 out of 5 for everything. So if I were you, if you have a chance to come stay here at the Aventura Hotel, you'll have a great time.
You'll enjoy yourself.
Yeah.
I promise.
Mm-hmm. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and we'll see you later. Bye.